organizing in the kitchen. So we found this beautiful trolley in Ikea because all my fruits, I don't have space. So this is very useful. So you can have these trolleys and have hole under so your vegetable won't get spoiled too fast. And I have something, this side, I use it for the egg and potato and some spices and vegetables. And here is some fruits. And I have another one trolley because our kitchen is really small, and this is also from Ikea. It's not enough, so I got this one also from Ikea. So I have here all my spices that I'm gonna use for cooking, so it's easy for me to take, and something that I can use for my baking. And I have some flour because I like to do baking, so I have a lot of flour and different stuff. So this is very useful to organize. I cannot show you the whole kitchen yet right now because I'm not finished yet. I still need to organize some more, but this is the useful thing that I have bought in Ikea. And I buy also for organizing my son's stuff in his room. So which is really cool. I like it. So I also have this one, a very beautiful curve, a basket from Ikea also. I can use this one to pick some fruits in the woods on summer, but for now I use them for putting bread. But you can use this one to put fruits also. It's something really cute. I really like it. Nice curve. It's only cost 99 kroner for this curve. So cute. So this is the shelf we bought in Ikea for my son to organize all his toys. It is really very useful because his toys is everywhere now. Everything is just in one corner. And he also got this table. This table also you can organize. You can make it high and you can make it lower. So for his pen and for the books. Kids room.